Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on pointing your Squarespace domain to your WIX site. So first thing we want to do, we want to click login, and then I'm going to create an account. So I'll click create an account. Then I like to use Google. I'll choose the account that I want to sync with Google. And then I'm going to, you go up to domains, click domains, and first I need a domain, so I'm gonna get a domain real quick. We need one for Longbird Auto. So we've got our options. We're gonna go ahead and get our .com. See the options that we have. Go ahead and click .com. Then continue to checkout. And we'll go through registration. So then registration, we'll go through registration, fill that out, save and continue. Payment information, you'll need to go ahead and review the order. Registration is being processed. We're going to click done. So now here's the part where we get into domain forwarding, right? So now we have the domain, and now we need to forward it to our WIX site, right? So we need to click on it. We'll click manage our domain settings. And now that's going to take you in. So you'll come to like the dashboard of your domain, and down at the bottom you'll see where it says domain forwarding. We'll click add. And now we have to create a rule. So we're going to commit a domain forwarding rule. And for what we need to put in is the @ symbol, and then put the URL to our WIX site. So there's the URL to our Longbird Auto. We'll hit save. And we're going to go with a permanent redirect 301. So it goes over forwarding, SSL, path forwarding. We don't really need to worry about that for this. We're going to keep that as is. Go back up and hit save. And hit OK. And now when you type in the domain name, it will redirect to the WIX site. And you actually have the ability to click it right up here at the top. And you click that, it'll open up the page. And if you want to test it, you can just type in your domain name. And it'll redirect to, now it is now forwarding to the WIX site.